Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background on a Zoom meeting application. Alright guys, here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom application with my Android phone. And usually if we want to change our background, we have to go to the more option. And the option to change our background will appear right here. But unfortunately, there's no option to change my background. And actually, this feature, the background feature, isn't available for some Android version. But don't worry guys, because here I want to give you the tips to change the background even if the background option isn't available right here. So you can go to your setting on your Android phone. So I'm going to open my settings and we can go to the advanced features. Click on the advanced features, and here you have to activate a video call effect on your Android phone. If you don't have this feature, unfortunately you cannot change your background, but if you have this feature you can activate it. Then you can go back to your Zoom meeting, and I'm going to activate my video or my camera, and this is the video call effect. So we can use this video call effect to change our background. Just click on it, then you can click on background. Okay, and here I'm going to select image, and I have added image to my setting, so I can use this image. If you haven't added image, you can go to your setting again, then you can add image on the video call effect setting. Okay, now as you can see that my background has been changed. And I guess that's how we can change background on a Zoom meeting application with Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.